नमस्कार दोस्तों, we have visited SISU, a chamber of industrial and commercial undertaking. A clean tech Ludhiana technology exhibition cum workshop. We attended a clean tech Ludhiana technology exhibition cum workshop at SISU chamber. So in which we learn a lot of new technologies, new techniques to save energy. So energy efficiency implementation in Ludhiana. Ludhiana is among the most industrialized cities of India and is home to almost 4,000 MSMEs primarily from textile, metal industries such as cycles, steel, fasteners, auto components, and other miscellaneous sectors. This extent of industrialization also positions Ludhiana among the highly energy MSME cluster where the cost of energy forms a sizable proportion of the total production cost and offer tremendous scope for energy saving and cleaner production through technology upgradation. Implementation of resource efficiency measures were carried out in 25 MSME units at Ludhiana and have resulted in annual energy saving of about 2,900 TOE, which is approximately equivalent to about 30 lakh liters of diesel per year. In addition to the above implementation, EE investment under SIDBI 4E scheme were made in 13 MSME units in Ludhiana. Estimated investment made for EE project is about 2,400 lakh rupees, leading to lifetime reduction of around 73,000 ton of carbon dioxide. The recommendation implemented by MSME include improvement in namely compressed air system, boilers and steam system, cooling towers, electric motors, etc. Further, this project advocates changing of production partners to prevent pollution and waste at source and reducing raw material and energy use. The average payback period for all measures is less than 12 months, which makes it very appealing to MSMEs to invest in these recommendations. Substance of resource saving culture among MSMEs and way forward. Energy consumption in auto sector in Ludhiana is estimated around 85,800 tons, where the energy consumed by textile sector is estimated to be around 98,250 tons. These sectors have huge potential of optimizing the energy consumption. The estimated saving potential in industry sector across Ludhiana is around 20,000 tons. The project financing energy efficiency at engaged the major industrial association in Ludhiana as partner to transfer the ownership of activities and mainstream resource efficiency and cleaner production culture among the remaining MSMEs in Ludhiana. This has ensured replication of recommended measures by other MS, thereby in calculating sentences of resource efficiency as a culture shift among the MSMEs in Ludhiana. Support to willing MSMEs for implementation of energy management system ISO 50001 provide an opportunity to derive benefits of EE on sustained basis with continuous improvement year on year. A focused outreach and awareness program was delivered under the project to design and implement activities for behavioral change, communication for the MSMEs and related stakeholders such as industry association, technology service providers, bank and financing institute, etc. The knowledge management and sharing for longer term is ensured by hosting database of case studies, success stories and benchmark that can be easily assessed by MSMEs. With the implementation of the WB GEF program in the MSMEs cluster, concerted effort are slowly beginning about the behavioral and cultural shift in Ludhiana forging, textile, hand tool and allied engineering industry. This has propagated the proof of concept that resource efficiency measures are level and indeed translate into monetary gains besides contributing to a healthier.
We are under the Tata Power parent organization, under which we are a sister concern or subsidiary, Tata Power Solar System Limited. As a Tata Power, major things you are aware, this industry more they have hydro and thermal power.